Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to add Netflix to Google TV, step by step in a clear and easy way. Make sure your Google TV device is connected to the internet before you start. Step 1. Turn on your Google TV and make sure you are on the home screen. You can do this by pressing the home button on your remote. Step 2. Using your remote, move to the top of the screen and select the Apps tab. This is where you can find and manage all applications available on Google TV. Step 3. Scroll down and select Search for Apps, or choose the search icon. You can search by typing with the on-screen keyboard or by using voice search with your remote. Step 4. Type Netflix into the search bar, or say Netflix clearly if you are using voice search. When Netflix appears in the search results, select it. Step 5. On the Netflix app page, select the Install button. Google TV will start downloading and installing the app automatically. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once the installation is complete, select Open to launch Netflix immediately, or return to the home screen to open it later from your apps list. Step 7. When Netflix opens, sign in using your existing Netflix account. If you don't have an account, you can follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Step 8. After signing in, Netflix is ready to use. You can now browse movies, TV shows, and start streaming directly on your Google TV. That's it. You have successfully added Netflix to your Google TV and are ready to enjoy your favorite content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful step-by-step guides.